sure you don't know that Castaway is one of the best recruiting agency. And the purpose of this video is to show you the new way of applying a job with them. And if you haven't been following them on Facebook, you're missing it. That's where they update their current openings. That's where they tell you which job they are hiring, and then you can come back to this website and apply. So currently they have a lot of positions in culinary. They are also hiring youth staff, camp staff. They have quite a number of openings, and even those that are not being like even those positions that are not open right now, they'll be open eventually. So start following them on Facebook. They go by the same name, Castaway Cruise and Resort Hiring Agency. So today's guys, I want to show you how to apply with them or how to create a profile. It's a bit tricky and sure, watu wengi hawajui how to do it, especially the new one. It's kind of complicated, lakini I'll show you how to do it. That just in case you want to apply for a job at your free time. Okay, so this is their website. There is home, about, our teams, and all that stuff. But because the purpose of this video is to show you how to apply, so let's get into it. Just click apply now. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, eh? If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. My name is Paulina, I'll travel with Dho. And on this channel, I talk about travel or how you can find opportunities abroad without using an agent or a consultant, just by following my tutorials, all the information that I give here, and doing it by yourself. So thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for those people who have always been here. I really appreciate. And as we start, please give this video a thumbs up. So this is the website, guys. And as you can see, it tells you start your application. What did I say? It's in a strategic partnership with Canadian company. Castaway is unveiling its new online application platform, Altrium recruiting system. So as I've told you, they have the new online application platform. And with this one, that's why I'm creating this video, for you to know how to go about it. It's very simple. I used it like 2 days ago, and I was not able to record because I wasn't sure how to go about it. But right now I know how to maneuver, and I'm going to be showing you how to go about it. So here they tell you if you're experiencing any instability with the Ethereum system, please submit your resume too. But I don't recommend this. Okay, I don't recommend this. I recommend you create a profile and apply. Okay, that's the thing. That's the secret. If you want proper response, that's the secret. So click here, applying something else. I want to register. Let's assume I don't have an email. Okay, so here you get to, this is how you do it. Like, you register first. I already have an account with them, that's why you saw my email there. But when you are new, you need to create an account. And don't forget the password, because you will need the password anytime you log into this account, unless you're applying for a new position. So what do we do? I'm going to fill in the names for the purpose of the video. Okay, so for example, I'm going to fill this name. Okay, this is for the purpose of the video. Okay, then I'm gonna put the email. Oh my goodness, this is so bad. Let me put the email. So guys, I've already like put the for the email, the username, and also the password. And remember, this is only for the purpose of this video. So you have to, after you do that, you just have to accept this before you continue. Done, and then register. Okay, So I've already registered. And now this is how you get to see the profile. Okay. On this profile, as you go down, you see here they write survey, contact, document, job position. You have to fill this. And for you to fill this, they have to be all green for you to be considered. You see what they say? Welcome to Castaway application portal. For your application to be seen by one of the recruiters, all status indicators displayed on the screen below must be green. So these are the indicators they're talking about. You see, they are all in red. So you have to fill in all the information before until they are green. Okay. So let's come here. So we start with the first one, which is survey. You see on this other side, there is a atrium system. This is where you get to fill all this information you can see here. Okay. For example, you can come here, you start with the survey. When you click here, it's talked about your height and weight. Okay, so make sure you fill in all this, your height, your weight, your nationality. For example, he's Kenyan, or I'm Kenyan, or you are Kenyan, or you are Ugandan, or you are whatever country you are, just fill in. And there's this called campaign code. You see, Carnival, not Carnival, sorry. Castaway Hiring Agency normally have a campaign code. So, for example, the campaign code, the one that you can see here, this one is for youth staff, by the way, those who don't know. And so the campaign code for this specific, for example, in culinary, of if you're a chef, is it's capital R CCUL 24, and that's why I said you need to follow them on Facebook, because that's all on Facebook and also on Instagram. That's where you'll get this kind of codes, because they know you've been following them from Facebook or Instagram, and then you went ahead and applied. So you need this code. Okay, but this is specifically for those applying for like chef, demi chef de partie, baker, wherever. This is the code. Okay, so for other position you need to go to their Facebook page and check. And then here you get to write your marital status. Let's say married, gender, it's a male. And then, are you willing to work on board ship for 10 to 34 weeks away from your family and friends, working for 10 to 12 hours a day, 7 days a week? Manze, there is no off. Kufanya kazi kwa cruise si mchezo. You need to be really hard working. Okay, so you just click yes. Have you ever been guilty of any crime in the past? If yes or no, just click no. Have you ever knowingly or unknowingly violated any rules governing the issuance of foreign work visitor or transit visa? Or have you ever had American visa declined? So kama ushai deniwa visa, unaweza decide kusema ukweli saizi ama ukose kusema ukweli. It's all depend on you. Okay, so no. For example, in my case, it's a no. If you accept an offer to work on board cruise ship as a crew member, you will also be accepting to be a safety representative of the vessel. That includes performing weekly safety briefings, drills, and emergency tasks, and will be trained in your specific assigned. So you just need to click here. You read about moving things around. You see like 50 pounds. Do you have bachelor's degree? Yes or no? You just need to answer yes or no. Uh, for this person, I think they have a diploma. So no. Let's just write it here. Oh, do you have any technical certificate? Yes. Do you have tattoos? No. Have you ever worked on board? No. If yes, please put your ID. Do you have COVID-19 vaccine certificate? Yes. Please read and encourage. Yes. And then here they get to ask you, how did you get to hear about us? There is Google search, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. I have a friend. So for me, I'll just say Facebook because I follow them both in Facebook and Instagram. So that's where I get to see a lot of updates on them. Actually, even in all other cruise ship, I follow them both on Facebook, on Instagram. That's why, and that's also a task as a person who is looking for a job on board cruise ship. You need to follow this cruise company. You need to follow them for updates and others and all information that you need. So when you are done with this, you can save, even if you see you cannot save because you haven't filled everything. Okay, but anyway, because I don't want to put some information here for you, I'll just show you the other place. So we just finished with survey, then we go to contacts. Here you get to put your contact information, your Skype account, your WhatsApp account, your number, your LinkedIn account if you have, your secondary email if you have. Remember guys, don't put your LinkedIn account if it has nothing to do with whatever you're applying for. Okay? So if your LinkedIn account reads that you're a waitress and you're applying for a waitress, well and good. But if it's something else, or even you're not sure about your LinkedIn account, it's not a must for you to put it there. Okay? From contacts, you go to documents. Documents, here you get to upload a picture of you. Here you get to upload a resume. For example, you can just click here to select a file. It's not saved. So what I will do, let's come here, reference letter 1. So let's select from here. I haven't saved his CV, so I'll just not upload it right now, but I'll do that after I'm done with this tutorial. And then there's the reference letter 2. Here, this reference letter 2, I have a lot of documents, all his what do you call them, all his recommendation and all that stuff. It's there. Okay, and remember there's also a photo you need to upload and your resume. So you have to prepare those documents prior to you coming to this website or portal to apply. Then there's language. Here you get to choose what language you can speak. For example, you can speak English, so we just save that. Just things that we can save, we save. Let me see. Only you see, like now we've already saved language because that's the complete thing. So you need to complete all these things. Like you need to upload all of them for you to to do what, to be considered. And then there's job position. Job position. There's casino, there's entertainment, there's F&B, there's hospitality, there's marine, there's medical, there's field. So for example, if you click here, it will bring you all the positions that they have. Okay, and for this specific one, we are applying for the chef. So if you're applying for any other position, as you can see, they have a lot of openings, okay, in F&B operation. So you just choose the one that you're applying and then just save. Okay, so when you come here down, you see job position saved. So we just need to complete these three, but we will complete. I'll show you how I'm gonna do it. Then there's passport. There's the passport. So here you get to fill in your passport details. Okay, you get to fill in your passport details. And then the next one is about your address. You get to fill in your address. And then there's the other thing is your emergency contact. This is where you fill your primary emergency contact and secondary emergency contact. Here you can put your parents, your brothers, your friend, depending on who is your that emergency contact, just in case of anything, or they want to contact you and they can't reach you, who can they call? Okay, so you need to fill in that. And then there is that's it. So you need, when you fill all these, down here, they will all turn green. So let me fill this away from the recording, and then after I'm done with this application, and I want to show you something. So you see down here, before it was red as we started this tutorial, but now everything is red, and we are done. Like, you're done right now. You have high chances of you getting contacted by, what do you call them, by the recruiter, the castaway health agency, sorry. So let me show you something. You see here in document, I've uploaded everything. I've uploaded his photo, his resume, his reference letter 1, his reference letter 2. Actually, in reference letter 2, there is more than 5, I think 7 documents from where he has worked. So make sure whatever you have, is it achievement letter, recommendation letter, work certificate, all that, combine them and upload them, because it shows how good you are. So then we come to contact. I filled in the contact and everything else. So I think that's all. And then it's just more apply. Nimeonyesha how to go about it, and if you follow keenly, trust me, you're going to get the job. Okay, so I'm wishing you all the best. They have several openings right now. If you go to their Facebook page, you'll see what they are recruiting. If whatever you're looking for is not there, you can still come here, as I've showed you. When you come to job position, you can choose. Okay, for example, like me, if I was to apply, I'll go for entertainment, then either youth staff, which they are recruiting right now, or teen staff. There's also something else I saw that I can. There's the nursery staff. Mimi nadeal na watoto. I'm a teacher, okay? And there are other positions, so you can apply for them as well, because when you come to hospitality, you'll see they have now this position in hospitality, and you can go ahead and apply. If the position is open, maybe on their Facebook page, you'll need that. Remember the code? Yeah, you will need that code. So guys, that's it, and I hope you've subscribed. I hope you've loved this video. I hope you'll share it, and tafadhalini msubscribe, msubscribe, and I'll be happy when you do that. Okay, I'll be happy when you do that. So thank you so much. Let me see you in our next one.